In today's video, I'll show you how to recover your Instagram account. So if you lost access to email address, phone number or password, you can still access back your account by following steps shown in this video. And if you find this guide useful, leave a like, share and subscribe for more recovery videos. With that being said, let's begin. Before you even start with the recovery process, you need to consider these requirements. Number 1, updated Instagram application. Number 2, new email. Make sure you have a new email you can access at the moment. Number 3, one or more photos of yourself in your Instagram account. Now if you have those requirements, you'll have a smooth recovering process. Now after updating your Instagram application, the first recovery process is to clear cache and data on your Instagram application to ensure there's no account linked to that application at the moment. Now open your phone settings, then scroll down to apps, then select See All Apps. Now scroll down to locate Instagram. Now click on Storage and Cache and make sure you clear storage and cache. As you can see. Now after doing that, the second step is to open your browser that you normally use. So in my case, I'll open my Chrome browser. So open your browser. Now here in the search bar, just type in hacked Instagram. Then you enter. So guys, click the very first link, hacked Instagram account. So tap on that. Then you enter to this help center page. Now select the very first option if you think your Instagram account has been hacked. So tap on that down arrow. Then click on this link that says visit this page. So tap on that. So now they tell you continue in the app. So select open app. Now here they ask you, why can't you get into your account? You select the very first option, my account was hacked. So select that, then tap on the next button here at the bottom. Now they tell you identify your account. So since we can't access our email or phone number, we need to submit our username. So submit Instagram username. Then tap on the next button here at the bottom. So choose a way to recover your Instagram account. So since we can't access our email address or phone number, just tap on try another way here at the bottom. So tap on that option. Then they ask you once again, why can't you get into Instagram account? You select the third option, my account was hacked. So tap on that option. Then tap on the next button here at the bottom. Now help us confirm you own this account. So select the very first option. Yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. Then tap on the next button here at the bottom. So how can we reach you? Now you need to submit an email address that you can access at the moment. Then submit. Now you need to confirm that email address that you just submitted. Now minimize this browser and open your Gmail application. A code has been sent to verify. So make sure you copy this code. Then go back and paste the code. Then make sure you confirm. And the next step is to take the video selfie. So tap on the next step here at the bottom and allow camera access. So put your face at the middle So turn to the right slowly. Now move upwards. After submitting a video selfie, then tap on submit here at the bottom. Now they tell you we'll contact you through the email address you provided. Your request may take up to 3 to 4 business days. So tap on done here at the bottom. So guys, you receive an email to confirm the receipt of your video selfie. Now open this email. Now here they tell you, thanks for submitting your selfie video. We received this information and it's pending review. Your request may take a few business days, but they normally take 24 hours. So need to wait for 24 hours to receive another email and continue with the recovery process.
A few moments later.
So guys, after 24 hours, you receive another email. So open your Gmail application, then open that email. As you can see, it says information is confirmed. We successfully reviewed the information to confirm that it's you, so you're not able to get back into your account. We recommend resetting your password in order to secure your account. So there's a link there to reset your password, and then here at the bottom, the reset password link expires 24 hours after the time this email was sent. So make sure you click that link before that time. So tap on reset password link. Now you'll be prompted to create a new strong password for your account. So make sure you include characters, numbers, etc. So submit that strong password. Now after submitting that password, then tap on reset password. So after doing that, you'll have now successfully recovered your hacked Instagram account. So that's all for me today. So if you find value in this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new recovery video. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.